100 Hz refresh rate, low blue light, it's work with the Chromebook also. "27" slim model. The box weight is 6.39 kg. HDMI cable, 1.5 meters, comes with a power adapter. Blue pin, (19.5), 1.28 ampere power adapter. It's a user manual here. Power cable. And this one is a middle stand. It's a middle stand. Now we can see the monitor. Sorry, one stand is there, the bottom stand here. This is the bottom stand. It's a bottom stand, full metal finishing. There is a one screw on the down. So now we can see the monitor. 27-inch slim monitor. It has a one VGA port and two HDMI port, and this is a power adapter port, and lock system also it has. Yeah, fix it, the middle stand. Just press it only. So now you have to fix the bottom stand. Only one screw, so easy to fix. Yeah, that's it. It's a very slim design. It is a eye safety certified, 100 Hz IPS, 3-side borderless, and tilt option, low blue light, 27-inch. Here you can see the model number 527 SF model. Power button. And this is the stand design. IPS skin, 100 Hz, very slim design. This model does not have any wall mount option. This all button for volume, brightness, for setting menu setting buttons, and power button here. There is a indicator, and this is a model number.